Mother, I'm missing it. Mother.
Oh, we're getting eaten by the car wash machine monster. Oh, Lisa, are you okay? Are you sure, Lisa? No! Ah! We're not gonna die, Lily. We must live. Ah! It's eating us. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Oh my gosh! Oh, Lisa, help me!
How is she gonna help me?
What do you mean, how is she gonna help me? She's gonna help me. Look at all these bubbles. Ooh, Bubbles, look at these. Don't come in my car, Mr. Bubbles.
When you screw, my phone vibrates. It doesn't like that very much. Shut up. Hey.
It's on.
Hi. We're saved, Mother. Stop it. No. Stop.
That looks so refreshing. I want to go jump in the water now.
It's cold outside.
I know, but it doesn't look like it's cold out there. Like if I jump in here, I'll be okay. It says thank you, but I didn't do anything.
Thank you for not putting the brakes on this thing in neutral.
Okay.
Give me $20. Oh, it's coming in through the thing. Look, feel it?
Oh, do you feel the warmth?
It's coming in through the vent.
Hey, it smells like bubbles, like bubble gum.
It sits in our car. This is nice.
I don't want to wait. I want to go. Look it.
Are you serious?
Now we can go.